In today's digital age, making money online has become more accessible and diverse than ever before. With the constant evolution of technology and the global shift towards remote work and online business, opportunities for online income have multiplied. In 2023, there are numerous avenues for individuals to explore and generate income online. In this video, we will delve into some of the most promising ways to make money online in 2023. Before we start, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for our upcoming money-making content. E-commerce. The e-commerce industry has seen exponential growth in recent years, and it's not slowing down in 2023. Many platforms enable individuals to start their online stores and sell products or services. Dropshipping, print-on-demand, and affiliate marketing are just a few of the e-commerce models to explore. Building a brand, providing excellent customer service, and effective marketing are key components of e-commerce success. Online courses and e-learning. The demand for online education continues to soar, making it an attractive option for those with knowledge and expertise. Creating and selling online courses on different platforms or your website can be a lucrative venture. Success in this field requires in-depth knowledge, effective content creation, and marketing to reach a broad audience. Remote work and online jobs. Remote work opportunities have expanded significantly, enabling individuals to find full-time employment or part-time gigs online. Many job boards cater to remote job seekers across various industries. To secure remote employment, building a strong online presence, tailoring your resume and cover letter for remote work, and acquiring in-demand skills are vital. Cryptocurrency and online trading. Cryptocurrency has garnered immense attention in recent years, and online trading platforms have become increasingly accessible. While trading carries inherent risks, it can also be a source of substantial income if approached with caution and knowledge. Conduct thorough research and consider getting professional advice before diving into cryptocurrency and online trading. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based model where individuals promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's essential to choose the right niche, create valuable content, and use various marketing channels effectively. App and software development. If you possess coding or software development skills, there's a substantial demand for app and software creation. You can develop and sell apps on app stores, offer software solutions for businesses, or freelance as a developer. Staying updated with the latest trends and continually honing your programming skills is essential for success. That's all from today's episode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more online money-making content and other exciting topics. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember, the digital world is full of opportunities. It's up to you to seize them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.